Hello, I am Corey, the owner of Fork and Fly. Come and travel and eat with me. Hey guys, it's Corey here, and I'm making Birria beef tacos. Stay tuned for the recipe. For this recipe, you'll need a red onion, cilantro, Birria beef, where I got from Trader Joe's, some of your favorite cheeses. I'm using an Italian blend and cheddar jack, and your favorite tortillas. I'm using keto tortillas. First, you want to slice up your red onions. You can either slice it or dice it. It's your preference. Secondly, take your cilantro. I prefer to pull all my stems so it's even when I cut it. And then you can either use a sharp knife, or I have these great handy herb scissors. If you're interested, check out my storefront. The link is in the bio. It makes it so easy to cut all your favorite herbs. And the safety cover can be used to wipe off any remaining herbs that may be left on the scissors. Now for the fun part. We're gonna dip our tortilla in the Birria beef juice. Actually, when I first did this, I forgot to flip it, and I just started adding the meat. But you want to add your meat, your cheese, your red onions, and your cilantro. Then fold that over. If you like what you see before we continue, please like and subscribe to my channel, Fork and Fly. Cook it on one side for a couple of seconds, and then flip it. And there you have it. Plate it and start on the next one. Now here I'm showing you to put it on one side, let it heat up, and then flip it. Let that side heat up. And now you want to put your meat, your cheese, your red onions, and your cilantro. Have you ever had Birria beef? If so, leave a comment below and let me know. It is so good. It's like the latest trend. It's been a trend for a couple of years now, but now it's easier to make at home because Trader Joe's has the prepackaged beef, and it leaves the house smelling so good. Here's the money shot. I had to open it and check to see if that cheese was melty, and it sure was. So I made 3, and 3 was just enough for me. But you can make more or less. You still have the whole package where I had leftovers, so the next day I did make more. But look at this money shot. And I had to open it one more time. Now for the taste test. Dip your taco in that Birria sauce. Don't be stingy. Look at that cheese pull. You have to try this recipe. It's easy, fast, and your whole family will love it. And if you're alone, it's more for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.